morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryavanshi and my today's topic is a lipid. Lipid are the fats and the function is to store the energy of long-term energy and insulate your body and make up the cell membrane. The elements are present in lipids that carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and the monomer is a glycerol and the three fatty acids. Then polymer are the phospholipids and triglycerol, and the example are the steroid, cholesterol, fat, nuts, waxes, and the make up the part of the cell oil. Then lipids are the hydrophobic, means water fearing and the not dissolve in water. Then lipids can be divided into two types: saturated and unsaturated. In saturated, the bond between the all carbons are the single bond in that solid at room temperature, and the mainly animal fats are involved. Then the unsaturated, in that there is at least one or double or triple bond between the carbon atoms and liquid at the room temperature, and mainly plants based fats. Then lipids are they are the ester of the long chain fatty acid and the alcohol, and they are the water soluble biomolecules but soluble in the organic solvent such as the ether, benzene and chloroform, and they are a chemically ferril group of the fatty acids or substance, and they are highly concentration energy stored. Then the classification of lipid divided into three types: first, simple lipid, compound lipid, and the derived lipids. In that simple lipid, it is also known as a hemolipid, and these are the ester of the fatty acid with the various alcohols, example fat and waxes. Then compound lipid, it is also known as heterolipid, and there are also subdivision in two types: phospholipid containing phosphoric acid and the non-phosphorylated lipid. Then the third part is the derived lipid. This substance derived from the simple and the compound lipids by the hydrolysis. In that example is the fatty acid and glycerol and steroid. In compound lipid, these are the ester of fatty acid with the alcohol and possesses additional group also. Then there are two polymers, glycerol and the glycolipids. The function of triglycerol are the triglycerol provide the stored energy, and it is also provide the insulation and the partially hydrogenation of the cooking oils and produce the trans fatty acid. Then the function of glycolipid, there are the essential part of the cell membrane, and it is also help to determine the blood group of an individual, and it is act as a receptor at the surface of RBCs. Thank you everyone.